So exercise 35, number 6, two simultaneous equations again, two equations involving C and D. I don't know what C and D are, but I know they're the same in both equations. So two equations for two unknowns, I should be able to solve it. I'm going to have a go this time at doing this by substitution, because if I look at the second equation, I can rearrange that for C so that it reads C equals something, and then put that into equation number 1 instead of C, so I can then find D. So have a go, but you can pause this video and have a go, but at any stage you can then carry on looking at a solution and then pause it, see if you can carry on. So I'm going to rearrange equation number 2 rather, for C. So from 2, I've got that. If I leave C on the left hand side, just take everything else over the other side. So C equals minus 4 minus 2D. So now I can substitute that into equation 1. Substitute into 1. So I'm going to rewrite equation number 1, but wherever C occurs, I'm going to put in minus 4 minus 2D. So I've got 5 times minus 4 minus 2D equals 1 minus 3D. Now I've just got to solve that equation. There's only one unknown, D, so in theory I can find D, and once I've got D, I can put that value of D back into one of the original equations, say number 2 this time, to find out what C is. So see if you can do it. I'll carry on with the solution. First step, multiply out the brackets. 5 times minus 4 is minus 20. 5 times minus 2D is minus 10D equals 1 minus 3D. Get all terms involving D onto one side, and looking at this I can see that I've got minus 10D there. So if I add 10t to both sides, I'll get rid of that and I'll have a positive number of d's that side. So I'm going to add 10d to both sides. So I'd have minus 20 equals 1 minus 3d plus 10d. Adding 10d to both sides. Now collecting like terms, I can see that minus 3d plus 10d is 7d. So minus 20 equals 1 plus 7d. Now, subtracting 1 from both sides, I get minus 21 equals 7d. Dividing both sides by 7 and writing the d on the left-hand side, I get d equals minus 21 over 7. So d equals minus 3. So now I've got a value for d. I can put that back into, say, equation number 2 to find out what c is. I'll leave you to finish that question off.